Hi, welcome to Creative Academy Addanki YouTube channel. In this video, we will be learning about different parts of Word window. MS Word is a useful word processing application. It provides various options for storing information, different kinds of materials, letters, different text-based information will be stored by using this application. It is widely used word processing applications all over the globe. Let's see parts of MS Word window. In MS Word, we have various parts which are used for different purpose during our word processing in an office, as a student, during project, or any other purpose. Let's see the first part of it. So if you see here, this is Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar. In each and every tab, like Home, Insert, Draw, Design and all, we will have multiple options and each option is considered as a tool. The tools are options that we use regularly will be placed in Quick Access Toolbar. Instead of searching for them in different tabs of MS Word, they can be accessed directly from this Quick Access Toolbar. We can also add number of commands into Quick Access Toolbar just by clicking the drop down box and clicking on more commands. We can select multiple commands and we can add them into Quick Access Toolbar. After that, we have ribbon. What is ribbon? It is an area where options related to a particular tab are visible. If you see here, we have tabs like File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design and all. Each tab will have multiple options and those options are visible to us in ribbon. The area where options are visible related to a particular tab is called ribbon. Coming to the next one, title bar. Title bar is an area which is located on top of the document which displays name of the document. Then we have a ruler. We have two types of rulers. This is horizontal ruler and on the left hand side we have vertical ruler. The adjustment of tab space, the adjustment of margins, okay, different types of indent adjustments will be also done. Okay, now coming to the next option, that is command group. What is command group? As we discussed already, each tab will have multiple options. Okay, these multiple options are arranged into different groups which are called as command groups. As these command groups are present in every tab, all the related options of a particular task or similar type of commands will be present in a group. It is called command group. Next, document area. The area which is seen here, like all the white space, that we call it as document area. The place where the insertion takes place, that is where cursor is present, we call it as insertion point. Okay, coming to the next one. On the downside, we have status bar. In the status bar, page and word count, the language that we are using at present, all this information will be present here. The page and word count and all the information related to the document is this on the downside is called status bar. And here there will be different kinds of layout like print layout, okay, web layout, all these kinds of views like document view. In document view, there will be different kinds of views like print layout, web layout, reading. There will be different kinds of views available. We can see them on the downside. And for viewing purpose, we can increase or decrease the size of window or size of the document, that is called zoom control. Only the area where the text is inserted, we can increase the size of that page by using zoom. This zoom is only for viewing purpose. General size that we specify will be the same. Only for viewing purpose, the size of character size or size of the content will go up, or it can come down by increasing or decreasing the zoom. Now we have views, and after that we have scroll bar. To move to top or bottom of the document, we use these scroll bars. We also have one more scroll bar on the downside when we have extended page or when the size is big, then automatically we can see the horizontal scroll bar on the downside also. Then on the top we have control buttons like minimize, maximize and close, which are useful for adjustment of a window. These are the different parts of Microsoft Word window. Thank you.